Hi everyone, welcome to I Am Doing Pain. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook Som Tam Thai. This is popular dish in Thailand. Everyone know it. So I'm gonna show you guys recipe now. First thing, white sugar, palm sugar, tomato, bean, lemon, chili, garlic, and fish sauce. The king of this menu is papaya and carrot. So I'm gonna show you guys how to slice papaya. So first I'm gonna show you how to do, normally Thailand people do it, chop by knife. And then slice, see that? But I don't want to do it. I'm scared to chop my finger. So I have another one place, slice by this. Can buy this in local Asia shop everywhere. Easier, more easier and save your finger. Som Tam Thai, when you go travel in Thailand, you can find everywhere. The street food, restaurant, they sell it because this is famous food Thailand. Okay. I'm gonna slice the carrot. Oh, this thing is so good. It looks beautiful too, look. Really thin. Okay, it's enough. So I leave here for now. Big machine coming. Thailand called crook. First thing, chili. I'm gonna add about 10 chili because I love spicy, but for your guy maybe about 3 chili. And then it's Thailand we call tam. Be careful your eye too. Maybe the chili come up in your eye. It's danger. Garlic, one tablespoon of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of palm sugar, cut tomato, half. Be careful your finger. Bean, lemon. Lemon I already cut, maybe use about 1 lemon. Just the juice. Som Tam Thai, we need sweet, sour, a little bit salty from fish sauce. Okay, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna mix it. Wow, smells so good. Let's taste it. I need more sugar. One more teaspoon, or maybe 2 more teaspoons. I'll just add 2.5 teaspoons. And then add papaya in. Let's mix again, but we need to gentle mix, not hard mix. I'm gonna leave here and a little bit mixed by my spoon. Now time to serve up. Som Tam need to eat with vegetable. I have got red onion, bean shoots, Chinese cabbage, celery, and boiled egg. Now I'm gonna add into. Oh wow, look at that. Looks spicy and delicious. Special smell. Okay, finished for these menus. Quick and easy. I'm gonna taste this. Oh my god. Ready? But try it. It's so good. Please don't forget like, subscribe, Thank you for watching this video. See you next. Bye.